Okay, so we are going to look at just side A of the fact fluency, and I'm going to record the answers here. So if you haven't had a chance to already complete this, go ahead and complete this and then come back and see if you got the answers right. Okay, number 1, 2/5. Let me go to a less thick marker. Number 2, 1/5 3 times is 3/5. 1/5 4 times is 4/5. 1/5, this is just in a different order, but you see it's actually the same problem, is 4/5. 1/8 3 times is going to be 3/8. That's 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 3 times. 1/8 5 times is 5/8. 1/8 7 times is 7/8. And then this you'll see is just the reverse. So because of commutative property, we'll have the same answer again, 7/8. 1/10 3 times is 3/10. 1/10 7 times is 7/10. And then again, we have a copy or a reverse order, 7/10. And then things start to change a little bit. So let me fix the screen. So now we see a division problem, but because you know that you can just use the fraction sign for division, you know that that's 4/2. Let me get a different size pen. And then that would change to 2. And then 1/2 4 times, well, I know that 2 1/2 is going to equal 1 whole. So that 4 of those would equal 2 wholes. And then here we have the fraction again. 6 divided by 3 is 6/3, which also equals 2. And then 1/3 6 times is also 6/3, which equals 2. Division sign is 10/5. 5 goes into 10 2 times. And then we have this is the same problem, but it's written in a different way. It's 1/5 10 times, or you can think of it like 1/5 times 10. A trick you can use is that cross canceling. 5 goes into 5 1 time, 5 goes into 10 2 times. So now you have 2. Okay, this is also pretty thick. Okay, 1/3 9 times. Well, we know that 1/3 3 times is 1 whole. And if we do that 3 times, we'll get 9. 2/3, or you can go like this, 2/3 9 times. So that's a little bit more than 1/3 what we just did. We could use that cross canceling where 3 goes into 3 1 times, 3 goes into 9 3 times, and we would get 6. And then 1/4 8 times. Well, I know that 1/4 4 times equals 1 whole. So if we do it 8 times, that would equal 2. And then 3/4, I would just explain it like this since we're going kind of fast. I would do the cross canceling. 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 8 2. So your answer is 6. And then 1/6 12 times. Well, again, you could look at it as times 12, and then 6 goes into 6 1, 6 goes into 12 2, and that's 2. Or you could look at it as 1/6. Well, it takes 6 6 to get to 1, and another 6 6 would be 12 times. All right, number 23, we have 5 6. I can cross cancel here. 6 goes into 6 1 time, 6 goes into 12 2 times. That would be 10. 1/3 goes into 15. Again, here I think I'm just going to start using the cross canceling. I know 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 15 5, 5. 3 goes into 15 once, 5. That's 5 10. And you can see, I want you to look here real quick at these last two. You see this one, when it was 1/3 times 15, the answer was 5. But here, when we change it to 2/3, you see this right here, times 15, it's still times 15. We got double 5, we got 10. Okay, let's keep going. This is the same thing as this. 2/3 times 15. Because of commutative property, you know that's going to be 10. 1/5 15 times, you know that 5/5 is equal to 1 whole. And so you're going to need 15 times 5, 10, 15. That's going to equal 3. 2/5 times 15, you could also do the cross canceling way. 5 goes into 5, 1, 5 goes into 15, 5, 10, 15, times it across 6. And then think about this one right here. So 2/5 times 15 got us 6, and here they're going to change it to 4/5 times 15. What do you think this answer is going to be right here? Let's check it by using cross canceling. 5, 10, 15, 4, 8, 12. 6 to 12, what happened there? It went up, it doubled from 2/5 to 4/5. Okay, number 30, 5 goes into 5, 1, 3, you got 9, 15, you can cross cancel again, 9, 32 is 3, 33 is 15. Notice the difference here. We have 18, 1, 6, 18 times, and then we got a bigger fraction amount, 5, 6, 18 times. So you're going to see your answer increase. Okay, then number 34, you're going to see this is, oops, let me go back to my pen. You're going to see that this is just an increase, commutative property of the same, so that's going to be 15. And then over here, 1/4, 24 times. It's kind of hard for me to wrap my head around, but I know that 1/4, 4 of those is going to equal 1 whole. So 4 times what equals 24? 6. The answer is 6. 3/4. Now we had the 1/4. 24 times equals 6. So 3/4. What do you think that's going to be? 4, 6, 12, 18, 24, 6, 12, 18. Okay. 8, 16, 24, 32. Cross cancel. 8 goes into 32 one time. 8 goes into 8 one times. 4. Number 38 is 12. Number 39 is 20. Number 40 is 28. Number 41 is 30. Number 42 is 49. Number 43 is 24. Number 44 is 42. Okay, as you guys know from the classroom, I don't always get these right. So if you see a mistake I made somewhere, please let me know so I can let everybody else know I made a mistake. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, that's it.